In this video, you'll learn how to format table borders in Google Docs so your tables look clean, consistent, and easy to read. Whether you're working on a report, a schedule, or a simple data table, adjusting the borders can make a big difference in how professional your document looks. We'll keep this simple and focus on the basic tools you'll use every time. First, make sure you already have a table in your Google Docs document. If you don't, just insert a table using the Insert menu at the top, then choose Table and pick the size you want. Once your table is in place, click anywhere inside it. To select the entire table, move your mouse to the top left corner of the table until you see a small square handle appear. Click that handle and the whole table will be highlighted. This tells Google Docs that any formatting changes you make should apply to the entire table, not just one cell. If you only want to format specific parts of the table, like a header row or a single column, click and drag to highlight just those cells instead. The same border tools you're about to use will work on whatever you've selected, so it's very flexible. With your table or cells selected, look towards the toolbar at the top of the screen. You'll see a set of icons that control your table borders, one for border color, one for border width, and one for border style. If you don't see them right away, make sure a part of the table is still selected. The toolbar adjusts based on what you've clicked, so those options appear when you're working inside a table. Let's start with border color. Click the border color icon, which looks like a little pencil or border square. A color palette will open. From here, you can choose a standard color or a custom one, depending on your document style. Dark gray or black is usually best for clear professional tables, while lighter colors can be useful for subtle dividers or highlighting certain sections. As soon as you choose a color, the borders of your selected cells will update. Next, adjust the border width. Click the border width icon, which will show a number followed by PT for points. A menu will appear with different thickness options. Thinner lines like 1 or 0.75 points work well for simple tables. Thicker lines are good if you want to emphasize header rows or totals. Select the width you want, and again, the change will apply to whatever cells you have selected. Now, choose a border style. Click the border style icon to open a list of different line types, such as solid, dashed, or dotted. For most documents, a solid line is the cleanest choice, but dashed or dotted borders can help separate sections without looking too heavy. Pick the style you prefer, and your table updates immediately. As a quick tip, you can mix and match these settings. For example, you might use a thicker, darker solid border for the outer edge of the table and a lighter, thinner border for the inner lines. Just select the parts you want to change and repeat the same border color, width, and style steps. Once you're happy with how everything looks, click anywhere outside the table to deselect it and review your work. That's all you need to format table borders in Google Docs, using the toolbar controls for color, width, and style.